All right, ho. Now with the hair you got in the back, you want to section it off into two. I'm not doing little ass braids. If you want to, you could go in and do tiny ass motherfucking braids, but I'm not fucking doing that. Section this in two down the middle of my head, and when I do the braid on this side, I'm gonna connect this braid into there so it can be tight. And when I do this side, I'm gonna connect this braid into there. So, bitch, don't even fucking say shit, bitch. I just said it had to be a braid. If it walk and talk like a braid, bitch, it's a what? It's a braid. We just needed this to be in there so it could be real motherfucking tight. Now do that to the other side, okay? Oh my god. Hey, look. It's not motherfucking perfect, but bitch, you got the motherfucking job done. So part 2. Now the first part, the braiding process for this should have only took 5 minutes. I be forgetting you bitches slow. I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt. It should have took 7 minutes, okay? Now we're on the second part. Do your motherfucking edges and come back. Don't say nothing about my big ass edges because I don't say nothing about your big ass mama. I don't. Got this real nice body wave half wig from Beauty Forever Hair, but I'm finna straighten it. I'm not a body wave type of girl because my body don't have no type of waves in it, bitch. I'm built like a brick, okay? All right, we made it this far. We almost done. Now we're gonna take this little wig and put it right here on my head, okay? Clip, 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 clip. Okay, do y'all see it? Look. Okay. The makeup braid's gonna get you right, pay. The LA and me want to do a middle swoop so motherfucking bad. Like, this is giving my high school era. If you bitches knew me in high school, you knew I was that bitch. And I had my bust down middle part every day straight. And bitch, I bought a flat iron to school and I did my edges in the bathroom. Yeah, real ghetto. I'm only doing one pass with this flat iron because my hair is like, it damages so easy and I'm scared. So I'm going to do one pass with the flat iron and then I'm going to slick it down what got to be. Because that's what I used to do back in the day, bitch. And I was a baddie. So fuck y'all. I'm going to do it. Please, my hair. That's it. One of you bitches tried to tell me my hair wasn't blonde. Girl, fuck you. I know what the fuck my hair is. Honest, I forgot all about y'all, but this it is. This it is. This is it. Bye. Bye.